traffic, Yankee Juliet Lima taking off 23 for the second. Oh, how about that? It's not half bad.
Yeah. I think we'll be able to get 18.
Yeah.
Prime for traffic, Yankee Juliet Lima is on the downwind for runway 23.
You can do a cals check for your high level here, and then downwind check.
Alright. So civilization, we got some.
Yep.
Clear of the approach. Obstacles, no obstacles other than some trees way before the threshold. Wind, we'll be landing into the wind. And distance, we got lots of distance.
Good. The surface as well? Surface looks like.
Surface is hard and semi-slippery.
Yeah.
Really need to kind of how is it up there?
It's pretty good right now. We got 18, no problem. At least 7-8 miles in all directions. If anything, looks worse to the west, but not bad for the circuit.
Sounds good, I'll join you up there, but...
Prime for traffic, Yankee Juliet Lima, turning left base, runway 23, low and over.
And we've got about 10 knots of wind right now, so you can do your low pass at 70.
Okay.
If there was no wind, 60 would be good, right?
Yeah.
And if you don't want to use your phone or anything, you can use this to time. Just remember where it started, where it ends type thing.
And Encino went on final. Prime for traffic, Yankee Juliet Lima, turning final, runway 23, low and over.
So you want to get yourself established at 200, like a little bit before you're at the runway, right?
Okay.
So just act like you're coming in to land. And you know what you can do too is go a little bit to the right side of the runway here. And just keep the runway on your left a little bit so that you can see it the whole time out your window.
Okay. Then for this, would it be good to stay at 70 for the approach then?
Yeah, I would say just do the whole thing 70.
Okay.
You take note of your time at the beginning of the runway?
Yes, sir.
Good, and do a cals check.
Alright, civilization's good, obstacles are good. Wind, we are into the wind. Surface, hard, and slightly slippery. And there's no obstacles.
Alright.
Prime for traffic, Yankee Juliet Lima is on the climb out from runway 23 for the circuit.
You want to go out and like join the circuit again mid-left and do a high level over the runway?
Sure.
Just for something to do?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go to 1800 and we'll go to the north.
Okay.
Where it's a 403 and then come in for mid-left.
Alright. Prime for traffic, Yankee Juliet Lima, last departed runway 23. We're changing things up, climbing up to 1800 feet, departing the circuit to the north.
I promise that no matter how far we've gone, no matter, I'd leave my heart in the palm of your hands. I promise that no matter how treacherous, I'd always do it again. It's crazy, but we made it.
Frankfurt area traffic, Yankee Juliet Lima is approximately 1 mile to the northwest of the field, 1,800 feet. We're going to be crossing overhead the field, joining mid-left downwind runway 23 for landing. Alright, so civilization, we got some to the south. Obstacles, few trees way above, or way before the threshold. Wind will be going into the wind. Frankfurt traffic, Yankee Juliet Lima, overhead the field, 1,800 feet. We're going to be joining mid-left downwind runway 23, low and over. Runway surface condition looks firm and icy. And oh yeah, length was sufficient at 55 seconds. Frankfurt traffic, Yankee Juliet Lima, joining mid-left downwind runway 23 for low and over. Alright, primer locked, faster on, mags both. Carby good, oil temp's good, pressure's good, suction's good. Mixture rich, and fuel selector. Frankfurt traffic, Yankee Juliet Lima, turning left base, runway 23, low and over. Frankfurt traffic, Yankee Juliet Lima, turning final, runway 23, low and over. Feels weird being to the right.
Yeah. A few times I forgot that my student's doing a low and over and they turn final and I'm like, what are they doing? And then I'm like, oh wait, we're not landing, we're doing a low and over.
Disregard.
Yeah.
Alright, time started. Runway surface is looking relatively bare here. Nice and firm. Conditions are getting slipperier on this end. No obstacles. And only civilization directly off our nose. And runway length is sufficient, approximately 5,000 feet.
Engine failure.
Going to the left right here.
Okay, pull the Kirby. Fly it right down. Sorry, overshoot. Go straight out there. Remember traffic Yankee Juliet Lima, simulated engine failure after takeoff. Re-establishing on the crosswind lake, and we'll join the downwind 23. Just go to 13 and then turn right into the downwind.
Alright.
Nice job.
Thank you. Frankfurt traffic, Yankee Juliet Lima. We're on we're at 1,500 feet, joining the left downwind runway 23, climbing up to 1,800 feet. What would you have changed for that?
Nothing really.
No.
You don't got much time, right? So you chose a field and you got her down there and it looked landable, so that's good. Just pull the carpet right away.
Okay.
First thing.
Did we do that again? That was fun.
Sure. We'll say your high level is done here. Just do the downwind checks. We'll do another low level for practice.
Okay. Alright, yeah. Everything looks good over there. Master on. That's good. That's good. Beautiful. I was getting ready to slip that thing in. Brantford traffic, Yankee Juliet Lima, turning left base, runway 23, low and over. Brantford traffic, Yankee Juliet Lima, turning final, runway 23, low and over. Alright, time started. Surface is looking good. No obstacles, no civilization except for at the end and very beginning. No conflict with that. No. Semi-slippery. Now we're getting into some more ice up here. And runway length looks good.
When I brief the departure off 23, I brief this field here.
Oh, okay.
Full your power. Go for that one to the right.
Okay.
Brantford traffic, Yankee Juliet Lima simulated engine failure after takeoff.
Right parallel with 2-4.
Yeah, like right here. You've got lots of room this way,
Oh yeah.
so you can start putting flaps in if you need it. And you could land here pretty easily.
Yeah.
You can overshoot. You can start a gentle turn to the left and just go back to kind of a runway heading.
Brantford traffic, Yankee Juliet Lima, overhead the field, 1,800 feet, going to be joining mid-left downwind, runway 23, full stop. Brantford traffic, Yankee Juliet Lima, turning mid-left downwind, runway 23, full stop. I definitely like that, doing those simulated.
Yeah, I like it too. It's fun.
Yeah. Good practice too.
Yeah.
Brantford area traffic, Yankee Juliet Lima, turning left base, runway 23, full stop.
Hey, wait, you mind if I do a landing?
Yeah, go for it.
I haven't done one in months.
Yeah, for sure. All right.
I have control.
You have control.
Brantford traffic, Yankee Juliet Lima, turn final, 23, full stop.
Brantford traffic, Bravo Zero Lima, turn downwind, runway 23.
My feet are clear of the pedals.
Okay.
Bravo traffic, maintenance now
You can
entering
keep them
runway
on if
35
you want
for
to.
inspection.
It's more comfortable, that's what I do.
Oh, no, that's fine.
I keep my feet on the pedals and just let them kind of be nimble.
Yeah. No, that's fine. You got control, you got control.
Alright.
How long have you been itching to ask that?
A while. Yeah, I haven't done a landing in, like, honestly, months.
Yeah.
Like, why would I? My students land all the time, right?
Right,
So,
yeah. I guess probably the only time you do it is brand new student or intro.
Yeah. Alright, not bad.
Nicely done.
Brantford traffic, Bravo Sierra Lima, turn left base, runway 23. Go.
Alright, you have control.
Alright, I have control.
I don't want to taxi.
That part's not fun.
Yeah.
It's funny, I was watching the windsock, just as you started the flare, I saw the windsock pick up.
Yeah. Yeah, that's what that little flow
Yeah.
was. Yeah.
I was like, of course. As soon as you start the flare, the wind has something else to say.
Yeah. That's fine, it just helps you butter it.
Exactly, right? I don't even think my head moved for that.
Brantford traffic, Bravo Sierra Lima, turn in final, runway 23, touch and go.
Ran for traffic, Yankee Juliet Lima, down and clear of all runways.
Here, I'll continue the taxi. Have control, you do the checklist.
Alright. Oh, but taxiing's not fun.
It is when I can get home sooner.
That is true. That is very true.